What's up, everyone? Hope you're getting after it today, feeding that mind, body, and spirit. Charles Smith back at you with a 5-minute follow-along video. We got a Tabata aimed at the core. We're going to be using just one dumbbell with 2 exercises. So let's grab our timer and get started. First exercise is going to be a single arm flat crunch. Okay.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
All right. So in the flat crunch, you want to make sure you're reaching straight up and not forward. Next exercise, we're going to keep that same arm in the air. We're going to bring the opposite leg up. So now we're working on the lower abs. It doesn't even have to be this high, really. You can actually stay right here, working on those lower abs. Good. Same thing, other arm. Now, if you're doing it right about now, you should be feeling that, the upper abs. Now, when we lift the leg up, we're gonna hit the lower abs. Hope you're feeling that. You should be feeling that in the lower abs, the upper, and the torso with the single limb movement. Back to the beginning. Reaching straight up. Now as you get tired, you're gonna want to cheat. You're gonna want to throw your arm. But focus on keeping that head relaxed and lifted straight up with the core. Whew. Two rounds left, other arm and the other leg. Whew. Last one. Opposite leg. That's it. 2 simple exercises. My core is feeling in the upper abs, so now I got my little trumpets, so now I'm gonna get in a little stretch for the upper part of the abs. Move from yoga called the up dog. Lay flat, lift. Now we're putting a little stress on the lower back, so to take that stress off, I'm gonna push back into child's pose. Just to release. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, leave a comment below. Make sure you give a thumbs up and hit that red button to subscribe. Check out the link below if you want to learn more bodyweight exercises. That's it. Keep feeding that mind, body, and spirit, and stay after it.